Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's learn how to implement binary tree in Python. So first of all, what is a data structure? It's basically how we organize the data. So it can be implemented either in linear fashion or non-linear fashion. The tree data structure, it comes under the non-linear fashion. Some of the examples of the linear data structures are like array, linked list, stack, and queue. So let's learn this tree data structure. So in the tree data structure, we are mainly focusing on the class called on the binary tree. Binary tree is a data structure in which a node has at most two children. So the first starting node is called the root node. And it can has at most two children since we are dealing with binary tree. So one of the children let it the left part node is called as the left node, and this is called the right node, and these are known as edges. This is the left node, and B is the left node, C is the right node, and this path is called the edges. So, and again, let us design a binary tree in which B has two children. Let it be D and E, and it has F and G. Let G has a left node called H. Since D, E, F, H does not have any children, so these are called as leaf nodes. Leaf nodes are the nodes which does not have any children. So let's implement this in the Python. So before implementing, let's see how we can do this. So first, we'll create a class called node, in which we assign three parts called um data part, and the left node value, and the right node value. So the data part would be in between. So let us assign it as A, and initially we'll keep it as none. This is also none. So next what we do is, which is, this is none, this is none, the left is none and the right is none. Next, while passing it, we will assign root. This is root dot left. This is left, right? So this is root dot left equals to, we'll create a class called node. So node of what data you want, that we can place here. So it would then become then it would in turn change to A. We'll again create a node, so it has some value which would be B in our case, like in the above case. So again the left and right most would be none, and this is also, this is since we initially took it as none, it would be none. Similarly, we can write root dot right to be equals to node of what we want, the data to be equals to C, since in our diagram we had this C. So again it would be replaced to A times B, A to B. This is the edge as we discussed before, and this is none, we are not changing anything. And then it would be C, and the left and right of this node would be none initially, and later by doing this code we can change these values and we can proceed. So in this way, let us implement in Python. So here first we can implement the class called node, which contains the data part and the left node part and the right node part. So it would be class node and this function. Self dot data is the data which is the value of the node, and the left initially we assume it to be none. Similarly the right we assume it to be none. It's for time being, and later we will change this value. And in the next step we'll define the class called binary tree, where we can perform the binary tree related operations. So first I'll create a class named binary tree. So in this I assign root to be equals to node of data. This is the initial root, which is the root node. Its value is given through the data part through the main program. So next we have to we have to write the main code program, which is the driver code program. So first I assigned an object file which is equals to the binary tree name of this class, and I'll pass this data A. So the root would be initially assigned to A. Okay, then what I do is I'll assign this tree, then the root node is fixed, which is A. In the next step I'll do tree dot root dot left. Tree is this binary tree, and the root we have initially we set it to none in the class called node. So what we do is we change it to node B. So we have A, which is the root node, and to the left of it we have B, and the children of B would be none. Similarly we do with C, and to form the children of the B, what we do is we write tree dot root dot left. From till here we get the node B, and left of that would become node of node of D, and the next step follows the same way. Similarly we can go on performing this till we get the desired binary tree. So I'll cover the traversal part in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.